Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're restructuring your store and need to clear out an automated smart collection you no longer use, deleting it takes just a couple of clicks. In this video, I will show you how to delete them step by step. Okay, so firstly, let's head into your Shopify admin and locate your collections list. So log in, you'll be on your dashboard. Then you click on products right here on the left panel, and then select collections in the drop down. Then you just find the automated collection you want to remove and click directly on its collection title. So I have this test collection, for example, and this will open up the settings. So in here, you scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page and click the red delete collection button if you have it right here. If it's not here, we can go more actions. As you can see, sometimes they just move certain buttons and objects on the interface. It's fine, and in here just choose delete collection. This can't be undone, so understand that you won't be able to recover this one if you delete it. If you're okay with that, press delete collection. Okay, collection deleted, and it's vanished from our collections list. So, as you can see, it takes only a few clicks. Enjoy, press like on the video, and subscribe.